Hi guys, I'm Speedie DiDi, and today we're gonna learn about construction vehicles. We got excavators, dump trucks, and bulldozers. Are you ready? Let's go! Speedie DiDi! Guys, we have so many construction trucks here today. Will you help me find an excavator? It looks like this. Let's see if we can find it. That's a double drum roller, dump truck, another dump truck. Nope, nope, nope. Front loader. That's a forklift. Oh, do you guys see it? Do you see the great truck? Excavator! The excavator is often used for digging, or demolition. Over here, we have the boom of the excavator. This part kind of works like an arm. Burr, 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 burr. The boom is the part you see in red. Watch as the operator moves it up and down. This part of the excavator is called the stick. It moves out and in, out and in. The stick is highlighted in green. Watch as it moves in and out. My favorite part, the bucket! The bucket has these little teeth, just like we have teeth. They help the excavator dig. That was pretty neat, huh? Oh, by the way, over here we have tracks. They let the excavator move forward and backward on all kinds of surfaces. Let's see the excavator at work in real life. is a dump truck. Dump trucks transport materials from one place all the way to another. The dump trucks all have a hopper or a dump box in the back where they transport materials. The dump truck at work. Our last truck for the day is the Bulldozer! Bulldozer? Bulldozer!
Bulldozer!
Bulldozer! And this is what it looks like! The bulldozer has a blade in the front which pushes huge quantities of sand, rubble, and all kinds of material. It also has tracks. They help the bulldozer move forward and backwards on all kinds of tricky surfaces. And over here, we have the cab. That's where the driver sits. Inside the cab, there are all kinds of controls to operate the bulldozer. Let's see the bulldozer at work. DiDi. Thank you so much for being with me today. I'll see you very soon. Hey, I'm Speedie DiDi. And I have a really fun and educational YouTube channel for kids with Peppa Pig, Paw Patrol, Play-Doh, construction trucks, CJ Masks, Barbie, and lots more. So check out my videos and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on our next adventure. Speedie!